Hi everyone! So a few days back we visited Goa and we traveled there around 10 days back, and it was 5 of us. I traveled there with my friends and we had such a blast. We had such a great time and we have come back with so many memories. So my basic motive for this video is that before I went to Goa, I actually always imagined trips to places like Goa and other famous places to be like on the costlier side. So in today's video, I will be telling what all we spent on every step, including transportation, accommodation, food, traveling within Goa, and sports and everything that we did. So yeah, if you're interested and if you ever plan to travel to Goa and you're still holding yourself back because of expense majorly, please keep on watching till the end. Okay, the first thing has to be travel till Goa. So there are a number of ways by which you can travel. The cheapest one I think is by railways. By road also it's going to cost you a lot of money, even if you rent a cab or taxi, or even if you drive by yourself. I don't think cost wise anything can beat the railways. Transportation charges are going to totally depend on which city you're traveling from. So obviously if you're living near Goa like Mumbai, Maharashtra, or somewhere near to south areas, it's going to cost you much lesser than what we paid. We paid around 800 rupees one side from Goa, from Delhi till Goa, and to and fro, like coming back 800 again. So it was about 1500 to 1600 for the traveling by train. This was the cheapest possible, and honestly the train journey wasn't bad at all. You just have to take care of your eatables and the hygiene. Hygiene was okay, I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't clean for obvious reasons because it's a public transport and numerous people travel in train, so you have to take care of yourself for that. But other than that, there was no problem at all. Just carry your own bedsheet, pillow, or anything that you're concerned about, and if the hygiene doesn't bother you, the trains are a big thumbs up for you. You're not going to face any kind of problem. Once you reach Goa, the next thing that you need is obviously accommodation. Now accommodation in Goa is of various budgets. Like if you want like very cheap places, you can find them, but then there'll be no facilities. We initially thought of like hotels or different rooms, but then we ended up staying in a villa. Ours was close to Anjana beach and it was okay in terms of service, in terms of facilities and everything. It wasn't bad at all, and we ended up paying around 3,000 for 4 nights. Now food again depends totally on you, your choice and the meal portion that you eat. We don't eat a lot, but yeah, we do like eating different kinds of food. So for us it was usually 500-600 for 500 people, including vegetarian and seafood as well. So you can divide for yourself the meal that it costed us. Next, very important, that you'll be needing a vehicle to travel within Goa. If you know driving and you have a proper legit license, I highly recommend you to rent a vehicle, because taxi drivers and the cabs there charge a fortune. Okay, so for small distances like 2-3 kilometers, they're going to charge you 600-700 for sure. That's their starting prices, and that's just going to burn a big huge hole in your pocket, and that's totally not what you want. So rent a scooty. You can rent anything like a scooty, a bicycle, a car, a jeep, whatever you want. So we ended up renting a scooty for 2 days and 1 car for 1 day, because there were 5 of us and a car was just suitable for us for 1 day. So for a normal scooty, it's gonna cost you around 300 rupees for 1 scooty. You can hire 1 scooty with 1 license, and that can be shared by 2 people obviously. So that comes down to 150 rupees per day, and you can use that scooty to travel n number of kilometers you want. You can travel the whole day, or you can just park it wherever you want. The shop will charge you that much itself, and yeah, I think that is it. these are just the basic expenses that you'll be needing in Goa. If you want to do like water sports or other things, these are totally dependent on which place you're doing this from. Different beaches charge you different amounts, so you can check that for yourself. I wouldn't be the best person to tell the prices because we didn't do all the spots, so you can just check that according to your budget, if you even want to do that or not. Not everybody does that, and it's not a compulsion. You can just go and enjoy the beach, have good food, good music, and a good party. You need to have a good company to enjoy. So yeah, I think I made my points. I have kind of given you an idea of how much you need to spend in Goa. The max you need to spend on a basic average trip, not too low, not too high, would be around 6,000 to 6,500 maximum. I don't think you need to cross that limit, and if that budget is okay for you, do go ahead and visit Goa. It's totally worth the while, the money, time, travel, everything. And budget trips are always really nice. So I hope my intention of giving away the input for the prices was clear and I helped you in some way. And if I did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That would make my day. And yeah, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.